residents and beat him up. That is perhaps the question here on whether the political dialogue and discourse can go to such an extent. Sahil Joshi will continue tracking the latest, but let's also talk about this now. A 7-year-old raped yesterday. 2 minors today were found dead. Stories of horrific crimes against helpless children, not from a remote corner of the country, but its heart, the national capital. Delhi's crime graph there against minors spiraling out of control. No lessons being learnt from the shocking rape and murder of Delhi bravehearts certainly there. Locals and residents feel unsafe. They're left with no alternative to vent their anger but go on and take to the streets and express their sheer disbelief, helplessness and anger on the streets of the national capital. For 48 hours after the horrific rape of a minor girl student inside a Delhi school, a class 2 student, the culprit still roams free. There has been fresh protests in the national capital against the brutal rape of this minor in Mongolpuri. Now 5 people have been suspended in delayed action which includes in fact the MCD school principal, 1 inspector and 3 others from the school staff as well. The minor girl, a student of class 2, was raped inside the premises of the municipal school run by North Delhi Municipal Corporation.
किरण वालिया जी बात कर रही है और चीफ सेक्रेटरी ने एमसीडी कमिश्नर को भी कह दिया है, डीसीपी पुलिस को भी कह दिया, अब काम में कर रहे हैं जैसे करेंगे।
देखिए ऐसा है, मंगोलपुरी के रेप में तो अरेस्ट अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो पुलिस की कहीं ना कहीं गलती है। तो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि एक तो प्रशासन को, अगर सरकारी स्कूल है तो प्रशासन को तुरंत ही उन टीचर्स के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, उनको निकाल देना चाहिए नौकरी से, और प्राइवेट स्कूल है तो भी एक्शन लेना चाहिए और गिरफ्तारी तो बनती ही बनती।
School should be held responsible totally, the principal and the management, the people who are responsible for running the school, because I understand it is MCD school, is much more serious because it is a government school. So I think they should be held responsible, they should be arrested and proper investigation should go through, because whole day yesterday was a chaos but nothing has come out, nobody has been arrested.
Examining all those people who were connected with school by way of some activities, by way of teaching, by way of any support services, all those people are under scanner.
Well, 5 suspensions coming through, but the culprit still roams free in this particular case as well. Joining us live now is Headlines' Jugal Purohit, tracking the very latest on the story. Associate Editor Waratar Khan.